Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the May BoxyCharm box. If you guys are excited to see what's inside this month's box, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now and let's get on with the video. So here we go, we have our May box. They actually changed the shape. It's like more narrow here now. It's like longer. But let's just see what's inside the box. I lost my scissors. I had them somewhere here. I found them. All right, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. So this month's theme is Make Waves. We have all our product listings in the back, prices and info and all that stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna grab here is from Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Holy moly. First of all, let's look at the packaging. Holographic box. I am such a fan of holographic stuff. It's just so cute. So holographic box, and it says Glam Glow, and this is a facial cleanser. It is so, the packaging is adorable. I love it. I freaking love it. And look at this size. Like, I mean, come on. So the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser retails for $28. Daily conditioning gel cleanser, gently but effective. Removes impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved. Awesome. I have very sensitive skin, so I'm always like skeptical when I get like product like skincare because I can't use everything. But it says fragrance free, which is great because I can't have anything that has fragrance. But look at this. So cute. So excited to try this. So here we have from this, I never know how to pronounce, you know, I'm like, but I'm gonna go with Sayate London, Sayate, I don't know. But it's the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow in the color Cupid. So let's go ahead and open this without, well, I already destroyed the box. Okay, so I have here, oh, that is so pretty. Look at this. So we have a clear tube, black top, and this is like, again, like a holographic purpley color. It's like, no, like a purple, I don't even know how to, not purple, but it's like, I don't even know how to describe it. We're gonna go ahead and swatch that. Whoa, look at that. That is so cute. See, in the bottle it kind of has like a purple, you know what I mean, like you can see like it's kind of purpley, but on it's like so many different colors like reflecting. Like I see a gold, kind of like even silver in the light. Wow, that looks really cool. Holy moly, that is awesome. So the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow retails for $22. We have $50 so far. And the next thing I'm going to grab here, I actually saw this in a, like I think in an Instagram post, so I kind of knew this was going to be in the box, and I was so super excited because I am a huge fan of Dose of Colors. I love their liquid lipsticks. I think they look so good. And this is in the shade Pinky Promise. And it actually looks like a shade I already have, but it's older, so it might be like, might be different. But anyways, so here we have a frosted glass bottle, a white top, silver band. This is Dose of Colors. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of them. I think their liquid lipsticks are awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right here. Ooh, I love it. So cute. Look at that. I mean, that pigmentation is sick. Sick. Oh, it's just so, oh, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I love pink lipsticks. Tell me that's not like the bomb. Oh, so freaking excited. So excited. So the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick retails for $18, which brings us to $68. And the next thing I have here is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Colorette Blush Trio, and it has a little piece of tape here that I'm going to go ahead and cut off. And let's see. Ooh, okay. So we have a nice sized mirror here, which I'm going to cover for reflection. And these are the colors that we have. Let me go ahead and swatch these. All right, so here we have, this is so cute. We have Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. So here we have the colors. This is Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. And let me go ahead and show you guys the swatches. Alamar Cosmetics, the Color It Brush Trio retails for $22 already. And like I said, that retails for $22. Why does my thing keep closing? So we're at a total of $90 so far. And we have one last item here. And this is from, it looks like an eyeliner. And it's from Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. And, okay, this is an eye pencil in the shade Emerald. Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch that here in between. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, no sparkle, but it's a really cute blue-green color, like teal almost, like a darker teal. But it's really pretty. Oh, that is going to look so cute. Wow, I love colors like that. Wow, that's cute. And it went on really well. Like it went on really smooth. So the Bodyography eyeliner pencil retails for $14, which brings our grand total to $104. $104 for a box that costs $21. I can't stress it enough how amazing these subscription boxes are, because you only spend, you know, $21 and you get over $100 worth of stuff. So excited. This is probably my favorite box this year so far. I'm not being biased just because it's my birthday month box, but it's a really good box. Like, I mean, come on. Like, it's so good. It's so freaking good. So excited. So excited. Well, guys, that is the end of our May BoxyCharm box unboxing. Hands down, favorite box of the year so far. May, you're being good to me. You're being good to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. All the info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys.